showdown escalates in Karnataka a day after Karnataka Governor Thawarchand Gehlot granted permission to prosecute the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in the Muda site allotment scam. The Congress has held a statewide protest in support of the Chief Minister. Congress supporters in Chitradurga blocking the roads have raised slogans demanding the Governor's resignation. Siddaramaiah has filed a writ petition meanwhile at the Karnataka High Court against the Governor's decision. High Court will be hearing this matter 2:30 p.m. today. Senior advocates Abhishek Manu Singhvi and Kapil Sibal will be in Bengaluru to argue the case. Meanwhile, complainants in Muda scam have filed, the complainants in the case have filed a caveat in the High Court. High Court is expected to hear this first. Meanwhile, the BJP and the JDS MLAs and MLCs will be launching protests in front of the Gandhi statue at Vidhan Sauda against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, demanding his resignation.
There is no way they can take this case to the logical end because they don't have any evidence. The only way they can keep this case alive is by using CBI, IT, ED and the governor himself. He is become the puppet. He is no more a constitutional head of the state of Karnataka. Unfortunately, the position has been compromised and he is behaving like an ordinary BJP karyakarta.
Sagai Raj joining us live for more on that. Sagai, please take it away on what's expected as part of protests, big showdown we know, and also the court hearing the plea of Siddaramaiah against the prosecution notice today.
On one side, it is the Congress which is protesting against Governor for granting prosecution against Karnataka Chief Minister CM Siddaramaiah after carrying out a Padayatra. Now the BJP is protesting in front of Vidhan Sauda demanding the resignation of CM Siddaramaiah, and they have also alleged that if Siddaramaiah continues in the power, he can influence the investigation. We are joined with Rajya Sabha MP Mr. Lahar Singh. Thank you so much for talking to India Today, sir. Sir, आपका क्या डिमांड है? किसके लिए आपको लग रहा है कि CM सिद्धरामैया इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकते हैं इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन?
देखिए, हमारा डिमांड कुछ नहीं है. आरटीआई एक्टिविस्ट ने आरटीआई एक्ट के तहत डॉक्यूमेंट्स इकट्ठा करके उन्होंने सरकार पर और मुख्यमंत्री पर गंभीर आरोप लगाए हैं और उनको गवर्नर के पास और कोर्ट में भी वो लोग गए हैं. राज्यपाल महोदय ने पूरा इन डॉक्यूमेंट्स का अध्ययन करने के बाद में, लीगल ओपिनियन लेने के बाद में उन्होंने ये आदेश दिया है. तो इस आदेश का सम्मान करना चाहिए और सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी जो हमेशा मोरल हाई ग्राउंड लेते हैं, उनका एक कर्तव्य बनता है कि कांग्रेस की छवि के लिए और प्रदेश की मुख्यमंत्री की छवि के लिए भी आवश्यक है वो तुरंत प्रभाव से इस्तीफा दें और इसकी जांच होने दें. जांच में जो निकल के आएगा वो सबको मान्य होगा.
Right. Sagai, thank you very much. We're going to keep the spotlight on the story as 2:30 p.m. is when the court will be hearing a plea by Siddaramaiah challenging that prosecution notice by the governor.